Hello, you have made it to the final video number 8 of WPP 393. Congratulations if you have made it to this point. You have completed all the assignments for this class, including the timed writing, and you're ready to put it all together in a portfolio and submit that to me. All right, so if you are in my 22A or my 821 section, it's probably April 6th unless you're working ahead. What you need to be doing between now and Wednesday, or if you are in my 22I section, it's April 7th, and what you need to be doing between now and Thursday is working on revisions. So if you finished your timed writing and you revised it and looked it over, and you think, oh, I'm not sure I really did a great job here. You know, I never really asked you to email me your revised version of the timed writing. That's more of an independent type of assignment. However, I am perfectly happy to look at it if you are having some doubts. So work on those revisions, and then if you want me to look it over, you know, shoot it to me quickly today, tomorrow if possible, or maybe you've already done that. So your job is to look through all of the assignments that you've done for this class. If I've ever asked you to make any revisions or add to them, hopefully you've done that already, and you've got all of the assignments complete. Because your portfolio is either due on Wednesday, April 8th by midnight, or if you're in 22I, by Thursday, April 9th by midnight. All right, so what the heck is a portfolio? It's pretty simple. So let me scoot back to the instructions on Canvas. There is on the very bottom, it says portfolio instructions. So make sure you're reading through those really carefully. Let's look at them right now as we wait for my agonizingly slow internet. Okay. So your portfolio for this class consists of one Word document with all of the following assignments in the order listed. So all you have to do is literally open a Word document, copy and paste the assignments into it. Please do start each assignment on its own page, on a new page, okay? You're going to name this Word document with the first 3 letters of your last name, your section number, and the word portfolio. So my portfolio would be called HAL because that's the first 3 letters of my last name. And then whatever your section is, you're either 22A, 821, or 22I. And then the word portfolio. And here's the assignments that should be in there. You've got that baseline writing assignment, your what, why pre-work, your short essay, your annotated bibliography, your second short essay, which is called the Kairos Reflection, your timed writing outline, and your actual timed writing essay. Okay. So you might notice that the timed writing pre-writing, you're not required to put that in your portfolio. So it's just these 7 items right here. Okay. So start each one on its own page. You don't have to put your name anywhere on it. Just start each assignment on its own page and make sure that they are all there. Okay. Once you have it assembled, just email it to me. And then what happens next? Let's take a look at the schedule again. So sorry for the slow connection. You're probably used to it by now? Okay. Okay. So once I get your portfolio, I'm going to look it over real carefully. I'm going to make sure everything's there. Everything's complete. You didn't accidentally submit 2 of something or forget to submit something, okay? If I see any issues with your portfolio, I'll arrange to meet with you either on the phone or through WebEx or in person if you want to discuss it, like if there's a big major issue. This is pretty rare, but I want to make sure it passes. So I will make that effort to reach out to you and say, look, I see a problem. Maybe it's something you can fix pretty quickly, or maybe it's a bigger issue that we need to talk about. If I ask you to revise it, you just need to make sure you have it to me by the 15th if you're Monday, Wednesday, or the 16th if you're Tuesday, Thursday. Okay. That's it. Then it's my responsibility to submit all my students' portfolios to the Writing Proficiency Office. And they have 2 other instructors of writing proficiency score your portfolio. So I will give it a score, either credit or no credit, and then 2 other people will look at it. And if it passes, you are done with the class. And there's a little bit of a gap. I really apologize for this, but it takes a while to score all those portfolios. But you will know by April 27th, and this goes for both of you, Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, Thursday people. This is the same timeline here. So you'll know by Monday, April 27th, if your portfolio passed or if the WPP office is requiring further revision. So there is a safety net there, okay? If it requires further revision, it's due by May 1st. That's pretty rare. Most of my students, if they have been diligent about getting their work into me and doing the revisions, they are good to go. So it's pretty rare that you're going to have to revise further. But if you need to, I can help you do that. Okay. So really, you could be done with this class by the 8th or the 9th, right? Because you've submitted your portfolio. If there's no issues, I submit it to the Writing Proficiency Office. And if they like it, then you pass. And that's all there is to it. If there is revision to be done, though, I can help you with that. So I want you, especially if you're one of my graduating seniors, to feel comfortable about that timeline. Okay. Now, having said that, I want everybody to know and just to remind you that I'm always here to help, right? So one of the great things about doing this course online is that I have time to meet with people individually who really need it. That could be a phone call, that could be a FaceTime, a Skype, a WebEx. I can mentor you through and make sure that you're getting all the work done and that it's quality and you're going to get the credit. Okay. All right. So thank you so much for your attention. Good luck with this course and with your portfolio. And I hope you've picked up a few useful writing tips along the way. And I wish you the best of luck.